Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. If you clicked on this video, it's probably because you have a Cricut and you need to replace the blade. I remember when I first got my Cricut and I needed to replace the blade for the first time, I went to YouTube to try to find a video on how to do it, and I could not find a video that was just straight to the point and showed me how to do it. So that is why I decided to make one. As you can see, this video is less than 4 minutes long and we're gonna get straight to the point. So we're gonna leave our Cricut off for doing this. There's no reason it needs to stay on, and plus I feel like it's safer to just leave it off. This is the section we're gonna work in. We're gonna undo this lever B. B is where the blade goes, and inside this little silver contraption is where the blade actually sits, so we're gonna take that out. To replace the blade, we are first gonna need our package of new blades, and we will still need the silver contraption. This little baggie of blades is from Amazon, and you can get 30 of them for $10. The little red part here is what's covering the actual blade. Going back to our little silver thing, as you can see, when you press down this little button, that is what exposes the blade. So when you're cutting using your machine, that is how it basically works, and it's also a safety mechanism. So with our replacement blade, we're gonna first take it out of the little red safety lid, and then this is what we're gonna use to replace the blade. So we're gonna put it on top of the blade that's already in the silver thing, and we're just gonna pull it right out. This is gonna act as kind of like a magnet, but also as a little safety cover so you don't cut yourself. Then you're gonna put the red lid back on the new blade and just insert it the same way that you pulled it out the first time. You're gonna press down the little button and then put it inside the hole, and it's gonna latch on. You're gonna feel it grab. So then, as you can see, the blade is inserted, and that's literally all you need to do to replace the blade. Then we're gonna put the little red cap back on the old blade, and then this is how you can discard it. So then to put the blade back, we're gonna put it right back into the same place we got it out of and close the lever, making sure it's nice and secure. And that is literally it, you guys. You have replaced your blade. So I hope that you appreciate this super short, straight to the point tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I thank you for watching.